Hello, I'm Mr. Ward, and I teach business classes, math classes, and computer science classes here at Gustine High School. If you've taken CS Python Fundamentals and you thought, wow, that was cool, or oh wow, I enjoyed that more than I thought, and you're hoping for more computer science, fear not. We have AP Computer Science Principles. This is like Computer Science Python Fundamentals in that it is another partnership with Amazon Future Engineer and Project STEM. So we still have online videos and trainings there. They push you a bit more. You do more websites, different experiences. As an AP Computer Science class, we've got a rigorous schedule. Everything gets mapped out to figure out what all you have to have done by what time so that you'll be ready for the AP exam and so that you'll get through everything that you're supposed to. There's also going to be a performance task. You're going to end up creating a program and then you're going to have to film it actually functioning, and that gets submitted before the AP exam. Then on the AP exam, you're actually going to have some open response questions where you're going to explain your program, what you did, how you got it to work, things like that. So who is AP Computer Science Principles for? Well, if you've handled Math 1 and you've gotten through Computer Science Python Fundamentals and you feel comfortable, you're ready for the next step, AP Computer Science Principles could be for you. For the A through G criteria, it counts as a third-year laboratory science. Just like in Computer Science Python Fundamentals, if you end up taking this class as a senior, or if you take it before your senior year, but you're interested, come your senior year, there is the Amazon scholarship opportunity, which if you get it, it's $40,000 to help you with college, and you have a guaranteed internship with Amazon after your freshman year of college. Now you may be wondering, should I take a class with Mr. Ward? Well, I do want to point out the Gustine High School mission. It does say that we work to foster the whole student to achieve their fullest potential by setting high expectations. These aren't just words to me. I do expect you to do work in my class. I do believe I am an educator and I'm here to educate you to try and prepare you for whatever you choose to do in the future. If you're able to work and go along with me, be willing to try new experiences and go along with whatever class throws at you, I would say that you're going to find the class to be very informative and helpful and good preparation for your future.